Hello, welcome to Edubbey Dynamic Page. Today, let us look at Evolution of Fundraising. Initial DEX offerings, IDOs, represent a decentralized and blockchain-native fundraising method, allowing projects to raise capital by issuing tokens directly on decentralized exchanges, DEXs. 2. Key characteristics. Decentralized nature. IDOs operate on decentralized platforms, reducing reliance on traditional intermediaries like investment banks. Token issuance. Projects launch their native tokens directly on DEXs, providing an opportunity for the community to participate in the early stages of a project. 3. Components of IDOs. Token sale platforms. Various platforms facilitate IDOs, acting as launchpads that connect projects with investors. Smart contracts. IDOs utilize smart contracts to automate token issuance, distribution, and other processes, ensuring transparency and security. 4. Advantages of IDOs. Community involvement. IDOs allow projects to involve their communities in the fundraising process, fostering a sense of ownership and loyalty. Liquidity from the start. Tokens issued through IDOs are often immediately tradable on DEXs, providing liquidity to early investors. 5. IDO process. Application and selection. Projects apply to launch on IDO platforms, and a selection process takes place to choose promising projects. Token sale. Once selected, the project's tokens are offered for sale on the DEX, typically in exchange for a well-established cryptocurrency like ETH or BNB. Liquidity provision. After the IDO, tokens are listed on the DEX, and liquidity providers can add liquidity to trading pairs. 6. Challenges and considerations. Regulatory compliance. IDOs must navigate regulatory considerations, and platforms often implement KYC, know your customer, procedures to comply with local laws. Scalability and network congestion. High demand for IDOs can lead to network congestion and scalability challenges, affecting transaction processing times and costs. 7. IDOs versus ICOs and IEOs. Decentralization focus. IDOs emphasize decentralization, allowing a broader range of participants compared to initial coin offerings, ICOs, and initial exchange offerings, IEOs. Access and control. Participants in IDOs have direct control of their private keys, distinguishing them from centralized fundraising methods. 8. Future trends. Integration with DeFi protocols. IDOs may integrate with decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols, allowing for more seamless liquidity provision and advanced tokenomic structures. Cross-chain IDOs. The expansion of cross-chain solutions could lead to IDOs taking place on multiple blockchain networks. 9. Risks and mitigations. Smart contract risks. Projects and participants must be aware of smart contract vulnerabilities, and platforms should implement rigorous auditing processes. Market risks. Token prices may experience volatility post-IDO, and participants should conduct thorough research before investing. 10. Conclusion. Initial DEX offerings have emerged as a decentralized and community-centric fundraising mechanism, transforming the way projects raise capital in the crypto space. While offering exciting opportunities for both projects and investors, participants should approach IDOs with caution, conduct due diligence, and stay informed about regulatory developments to navigate this evolving landscape successfully.